Audio back with another banger, and today it's impact day. It is currently 7 in the morning, and you can hear the car is catless now, so too bad for the neighbors. Not really, but I'm about to go put the jack and the spares in the car. So you gotta change the rims out. I'm thinking about it. I don't really want to do it for real because the tires are not that bad, but we have like a 2-hour drive ahead of us. We decided to get some gas, get something to eat, flash the car, pick up the guys, and we on the road. Impact Weekend 2025. We outside. Flash the car, chat. Stage 2. They always had E. Yeah. Nah, that was hard. I'm not gonna. Okay. I didn't even check my tire pressure before I left. Oh, good fuck. Every egg dead. Every egg dead. Every egg dead. Put the clip up. Gapped him. Took him on a walk. Walked him. It's a 4120. How was it comfort mode sounding like that? Oh, I know where I'm at. Oh, I know where I'm at. With the downpipe doing brake boost, the brake boost sound like anti-lag, and it sounds so good, and it moves out the brakes really crazy. But now I'm heat soaked for the rest of the ride. Like, yo, I need my intercooler like now.
Now ringing out here, it's on vibrate, and she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate, and he did some dirt, now my Cody. Hey yo, I did some things, but that's the old me.
We're like 30 minutes away from the show. Ooh, I think it farted twice. But we gotta find a car wash or something, cause I got bugs on my front bumper. That. Turn my GPS off. Oh, where is it? Right there. cleaning cars? How much? Who? Oh, what's that? 90. Where's the green lot? Here, DCT. I can make my shit on DCT. Ready? No, I'm gonna do it. Don't worry. I know, that's what I said. But like the only shit is really gonna be like some. Oh, I love his 437s on the M4 over there. You see all the way there? My shit isn't clean though. I gotta really wipe my shit down.
Did y'all pre-fill out your form?
No.
Alright, I'll get you both to sign my stupid is as stupid does form. Private property. If you do something stupid and get a boo-boo, you can't sue us.
Why? They're understanding the memo on that side. What's going on our side? That shit sounds ass. Too much. So some S55, M340. I like that color. Oh my god. Whoa! Everyone in it. Oh, look at that. That's hard. Anyway. Goddamn 47. That was fun, but we're stuck here. So y'all don't know, y'all never see behind the scenes of my GoPro, guys. I plug it in like this and plug it in. But y'all finna get amazing content today. There's M's and there's M's and there's M's and there's M lights and then there's me with an M Sport. But I'm the only M2 got M55. But I'm the only F10 here so far. And we're gonna need the tunnel.
I told you it sounded like a fucking turbo diesel.
I don't know, like my downpipe was really high quality. I spent $500 on that downpipe, chat. As y'all saw, apologize. But now I get the car's done. We're doing a bunch of fun mods. I got a couple more things I gotta do to dial in AC Plus. But right now, on a rough day, we're sitting at 4. But I blurred that part out because y'all don't know how much I'm pushing. But we're pushing. Oh, look at it on cam.
I just got some.
That shit is crazy. Race car. Yo, what the hell? Look how big that turbo is. I got it, yo, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Except for the crazy. Holy shit.
Nobody comes alive without much of the fun.
It's a fat ass tire with a big turbo. That sounds way better. You hear that? How it sounds like a ray gun? What's going on? This is giving all the GTIs and Golf R's gaps. LS, big turbo LS. This is crazy. This is good. I'd rather this in the car than any day of the week. Do the car. You got a little outro. But if y'all really did enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe, because I got a lot more stuff coming. I've been grinding, got a lot of stuff coming. Car's done. It's just a little cosmetic stuff. But I have another little build size project on the works right now that I'm trying to get going for y'all so I can make that a little series on the channel. But until then, when you're out, peace. This is Impact 2025. Oh my.